Hello everyone, today I am going to explain some formulas from chapter 3 of 11th class maths. So, we are going to start with the formula Tx plus minus dy formula. The meaning of it is trigonometric functions at x angle plus minus trigonometric functions at y angle. So, for the formulas I have wrote some hint. Just learn it. It's very useful hint. The hint is s plus s is 2sc. Now here what is ss? That is s and c. S is for sine, that is sine, and c is for cosine, that is cos. So s plus s is 2sc. Now from this line, how we'll convert it into the formula is, see, s plus s. S plus s is sine x plus sine y. So you have to only fill it. So s is for sine, first x, then here y. So sine x plus sine y equal to 2 sine. Now with them what angles will come, just understand it. With them what used to come? X plus y upon 2 and x minus y upon 2. So this x and this y and this x plus y upon 2 and this x minus y upon 2, you have to fill in all these lines. And easily you can get it like s minus s. S minus s, the formula is 2cs. Now again we are going to fill. So when we will fill it, what we are going to get? Sine x minus sine y is equal to 2 cos x plus y upon 2 and sine x minus y upon 2. So simply you just learn all these 4 lines. It's very simple, students. So when we are writing for s plus s, s minus s, that time alternatively sine and cos used to come. So when we are writing for plus symbol, that time s is at the first place and c is at the second place. Now when you are writing for s minus s, that time c comes at the first place and s goes at the second place, but they used to come alternatively. Now when we are writing for c plus c and c minus c, you just see here, when we are writing for c plus c, cc used to come, and when c minus c we are writing, that time ss used to come. So these are the identifications. So when we are writing for cos plus cos, that time cos used to come here, and when we are writing for c minus c, that time minus ss used to come. So minus sign is only in one formula, that is only in cos minus cos, except that we didn't have minus in front. So like this you just learn them. And how you are going to fill it? With first term only x, with the second term only y, and here in right hand side with the first term x plus y upon 2 and with the second term x minus y upon 2. So just see, if we have to fill this line, I hope together I can show you. So what is the line? S minus s is equal to 2cs. So s minus s is equal to 2cs. So here first we have to fill x, then y, then x plus y upon 2, then x minus y upon 2. In the same way, when we have c plus c, since when we have c plus c, that time in right hand side both place cos will come. So how to fill it? Just see how I filled here. Everywhere x, then here everywhere y, and here everywhere x plus y upon 2, x plus y upon 2, and here everywhere x minus y upon 2, x minus y upon 2. So it's very simple. You only have to learn all these 4 lines, and in that you have to fill. Like if we have to fill it, then how we are going to fill it? Cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 sine x plus y upon 2 and sine x minus y upon 2. So like this, you see here, cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sine x plus y upon 2 and sine x minus y upon 2. Now students, if you will reverse them, that is, first you just write down 2sc here in left hand side, then in right hand side what will come? S plus s. So just reverse the left hand side and right hand side. So next set of formula will arise. You see in the fifth point of the formula, I only interchange the left hand side and right hand side of all the hint of 4 lines. So you will get next set of formula, that is also very important formula, that is Tx dot Ty formula, means trigonometric functions at x angle multiplied by trigonometric functions at y angle. In that situation, what is going to be the formula? So this also very simple to fill it. First learn, you already learnt in the fourth point. Only interchange the right hand side and left hand side, and how to fill it. Here x will come, here y will come, and here x plus y, and here x minus y. Upon 2 will not come as it came here. Just see here upon 2 and upon 2 came, but when we will write down for these formulas, upon 2 will not come. So how to fill it? Just see here, first line we have to fill here 2sc. So it's going to be 2 sin x cos y is equal to, now s plus s, so sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So very simple. Here everywhere you have to fill x, and here you have to fill y, and here you have to fill x plus y, and here you have to fill x minus y, upon 2 will not come. So suppose we have to fill this line, that is 2cs is equal to s minus s. So it's going to be 2 cos x, this I wrote here, 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. In the same way here 2cc means 2 cos x cos y, that's why 2 cos x cos y is equal to, now when same ratios used to come, that time in the right hand side only cos used to come, and if alternate used to come, that time only sin is there. So like this, just compare and learn. So c plus c, that means cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Now there only one formula is there which is with minus sign, that is minus 2 ss, that is minus 2 sin x and sin y is equal to what we have after right hand, in our right hand side, c minus c, that is cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. So these hint, that is for fourth and fifth. Just see in fourth, whatever be the hint line of fourth, if you will reverse the order of left hand side and right hand side, you will get next set of the formulas. And here when you have to fill it in the left hand side, in both the set of fourth and fifth formula, only xx, and here y you have to fill, and here in the fifth formula you have to fill it by x plus y and x minus y, but in fourth formula you have to fill it by x plus y upon 2 and x minus y upon 2. That's it. So together just learn all these formulas. If you will together learn all these formulas, write and learn, so that you will understand that what you are doing, and easily the formulas will be clear to you. And if you have further any problem or any doubt, you can write in the comment so that I can clear out. And this hint is very beneficial. Learn it so that easily you can fill them and create the formula. Thank you.